Hello and welcome to this Turbine Twister competition. The rules are simple. 2 cars will race around the track in the same time, and whoever stays on the track the longest wins. And our judge today is Buzz.
To infinity and beyond.
Yep, okay. So, Mater, you're too big for this track.
Oh no, not again.
Oh, now we're a competitor short. Does anybody know anyone nearby who can race instead?
No. Nope. No.
Sorry.
Smash.
Oh no.
Don't worry, I have the answer. I've been secretly practicing for one of these races, so I can race.
Buzz, that's great. Nice car.
Nice one, Buzz. So you can race and I can be the judge.
Yeah, so everyone else, get into your vehicles.
And let's begin. It's Zerg versus Iron Man first. The turbine's launching them around the track. Ooh, there goes Zerg. Yep, he's down, so you're out, and Iron Man goes through. Ah, how will Buzz do against Catboy? Oh, Catboy ran out of steam and fell off. Well done, Buzz, you go through. Captain America versus McQueen. Hey, where's McQueen gone? Oh, he fell off, so Captain America's into the next round. Ace versus Hulk. Hey, Hulk got stuck and blocked the track. Judges, who goes through?
Mater?
Well, obviously Hulk's out. He didn't fit.
Yep, gotta agree with Mater there. So Ace goes through.
Super Funling versus Spider-Man. Oh! Super Funling slowed down too quickly and Spider-Man knocked him off. Well done, Spider-Man. Blue versus Woody. Wow, what a crash! Blue smashed Woody off the track there. So Blue goes through. Batman versus Driver Funling. Oh, Batman slipped. And so is Driver Funling now, but because Batman fell first, Driver Funling goes through. And the Flash versus Rex. Oh, Rex clipped the Flash to knock him off. So Rex is into the next round.
So these competitors won that round.
Who can win again? Iron Man versus Buzz. It's close. Oh, Buzz got too close and knocked Iron Man off. Didn't see that coming. So Buzz goes through. Ace versus Captain America. Going well. Oh, Captain America's gone. Well done, Ace. Spider-Man versus Blue. Both are going well. Oh, Spider-Man just randomly fell off. So Blue goes through. And Rex versus Driver Funling. Oh, Rex bumped Driver Funling off there. Nice one, Rex.
So these were our semi-finalists.
Who will be in the final? Buzz versus Ace. Whoa, Ace went flying.
Ooh, let's see that again. Oh, wow. So Buzz is into the final.
But will Blue or Rex join him? It's close. Oh, Blue fell. She's off, so that means it's an all Toy Story final.
So this is it. The final between Buzz and Rex.
Only one can win.
But who will it be?
Off they go. Oh, Rex has smashed Buzz off the track. Wow, what a final.
So that means today's winner is Rex. Well done. And unlucky Buzz, you did really well for your first race. Maybe you'll win